to another video. So today's video is going to be my fave Boxycharm unboxing for the month of September. So if you want to know what we got in this month's box, then just go ahead and keep watching. Alright, so let's just go ahead and get started and unboxing it. So I just got it in the mail and I haven't opened it. It still has the seal, so no cheating and no peeking this month. But I am super excited for this box. Let me just try to open it up. Okay, so there we go. I just opened up the seal and this is what it looks like. As always, I'm going to take out this foam. Clearly this is the card. Oh, it looks like something fell out. Okay, just a second. Let me pick up whatever fell out of this box. Okay, so we are going to start with, oh my god, I'm dropping everything. Okay, here we go. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the little pamphlet. So this is a little pamphlet and I love it because it's tri-folded, but I'm not gonna cheat or peek. But the top little theme is a wildflower. That is the theme for the month of September. We're gonna set this aside. So the first thing that fell out was this right here, and this is a Butter London Stroke Wow Roll-On Precision Liner Lacquer. Oh, let's see what this is about. Oh my god, what? ¿Qué es esto? Oh my god, this is so cool. So it's an eyeliner. And it has like a little wheel on the top. That is so cool. I'm definitely gonna give this a try. This is a very interesting product. I have nothing like this. And it looks like it's in the color black. So let me see what this item retails for. So this item retails for $19. So this alone already pretty much paid off the box because we paid $21 a month and we get like 5 items, full size, and this alone was already 19 bucks. So that was such a good deal. That was the first item that we got in this box. All right, next item that we got is this. I knew we were getting this. So this is the Nightingale Pretty Vulgar Eyeshadow Palette. And this is what it looks like. Oh, it's very pretty. So it has like, I don't know. It has a mix of colors. So it looks like you have your neutral, like your bone shades on the top. The middle looks like it's like more of like cooler tones. And then like your taupees and your charcoals. This looks like a charcoal blue color to me. And then like your dark colors right down here. So it's like a warm and cool tone palette all in one. And then it has obviously the full size mirror on the top. This is really cute. I really like it. Completely different from last month. Yes, from last month because it was super bright and vibrant. And I really like last month's palette too. But this is really nice. Going back to cool tones because it's starting to get cold and it's turning into fall and winter pretty soon. So yeah, this was really nice. So this palette, this Pretty Vulgar palette, retails for $35. Wow, and Pretty Vulgar is fancy. Let me tell you, Pretty Vulgar is fancy because they sell it at Sephora. So all right, we're gonna go ahead and move along to the next item. And I got these. So these are little eyeshadow brushes. Oh my god, and I love these bright colors. These are definitely gonna stand out from the rest of the brushes because they got the pop of color, and I really like that. And then it has like the rose gold ferrule, and this one looks like, oh, I like. Okay, this one has like a dense little feel to it. So this one I could probably use it like as a packing brush to like pack up that pigment or whatnot. And then this one, I could probably use that for my eyebrows. I'm always looking for a good eyebrow brush. Anyhow, I would definitely try to use it for my eyebrows, but if not, I could use it down the bottom, at the bottom eyelash line. And then this one's just like a little fluffy brush to blend out your eyeshadow. Oh my god, I totally love these. And these are by Alamar Cosmetics, and this is the Ojitos brush set, and these 3 retail for $18. Like the past few months we had received the Alamar palette, so now we got the brushes. That's so super cute. I'm definitely gonna put these to use. Super cute. Let me put them where they belong. Okay, moving along, I'm gonna go ahead and pull out something else, and this is the next thing that we got. I love blush. Okay, so the next thing that we got is a Laura Geller New York blush, and I love these marble blushes. I definitely love them. Right now, I have been currently obsessed. I mean, it's dirty. I've been currently obsessed with the Milani Bellissimo Bronze Blush, and it's a baked blush as well, just like this one. But this one is more of like a pinky tone, and the one that I'm currently using is this one. And I use it so much that the lid broke off because I'm a little rough with it. But anyhow, this is the one that I'm currently using. So I really do like these baked blushes. It's such a mouthful. But this one's more of like a peachy orangey, and this one's more of like a pinky marble color. So I will definitely be using this. I am excited for this one. Let me see what it looks like. Okay, so yeah, it is like a little pinky shade. It's a sheer pinky shade, but it's very nice. I really like it. I will definitely be using that one. All right, so moving along, next thing that we got. Oh, I think it's the last thing that we got. So I got the Hank and Henry. Is it a lipstick? Oh, maybe not. Oh, a twist. Duh, Fabi. Thought it was a lipstick. So what is this? Hold up, let's see together. So this is the Hank and Henry. Hank and Henry? Oh my god, I'm a total mess today. Hank and Henry. Oh my god, I cannot with myself. Hank and Henry liquid lipstick. So this is what it looks like, and the color is called Petal Plusher. So it looks like it is like a mauve. Ooh, I like it. It's like a mauve rose color. I like it. I totally like it. I hope that it's matte though, because right now it's kind of shiny, but I hope it does dry down matte. And I'm totally loving this box. All right, so let me go ahead and add up the value and tell you how much this box was worth and if we're getting our money worth. But of course we are, because we only pay $21 a month. So let's see how much it's worth. Guys, to wrap up the video, let me tell you how much each item was. So starting from the top, our Pretty Vulgar palette was $35. The baked blush retailed for $28. The eyeshadow brush set trio was $18. The liquid lipstick was $17. And we also had the roller eyeliner, and that item retailed for $19. So overall, the total value of this month's box was over $100, so it was altogether $117. So if this is not a good deal, I don't know what is. But you guys should definitely sign up for it. And if you do, make sure to use my little referral link. I will leave it down at the bottom. That way we could both earn free makeup. You know, you get me? Okay, all right. So this is it, you guys. I hope that you guys liked this video, even though it was short and snappy. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.